Breaking news mga sir, panalo itong si Marlon Tapales matapos na pabagsakin ng 3 beses ang Thai na kalaban niya sa loob lamang ng unang round. Nakuha ni Marlon Tapales ang WBC Asian Continental Super Bantamweight title. Narito at panuorin natin ang highlights ng laban nila.
Miss Rica.
Yes,
Round number 1.
The Nightmare Tapales, number 2 in the Philippines, is set to make his ring return against Thailander. Sabi mga partner, this is for the WBC Asia Continental Super Bantamweight title. This is scheduled for 10 rounds, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, 10 round fight.
Tapales is wearing the black and silver trunks. Itong si Chang Kayo is wearing the white and red trunks.
A nice body flurry by Giancarlo.
Tapales moves forward with another combination that ended with a body shot.
I think the referee, Gerald Tumuldan, tell us that it is a slip. Marlon Tapales is come swinging on this initial canto of round number 1.
And he's trying to really...
Oh! Not right, connected for Marlon Tapales.
Huge chopping right hook up top by Marlon Tapales sends Chang Kayo down the canvas.
That right, overhand right, did connect for Tapales.
Sensing blood in the water, Marlon Tapales moves forward, but Chang Kayo is unfazed. Let's go of those hands.
He's trying to counter. He's picking up on Giancarlo.
I like how Marlon cuts the ring and doesn't let Chang Kayo get to the center of the ring now. He traps him.
Again, that left, that left straight did connect for the Nightmare, Marlon Tapales.
Certainly, he keeps Chang
Oh,
Kayo.
that left again send the Giancarlo to the canvas for the second time. On the
Beautiful left.
perfectly timed counter left for Marlon Tapales.
Certainly, partner. It seems that Chang Kayo is
55 seconds on round number 1.
but Marlon is set to keep him down. Another left hand for Marlon Tapales.
A first round.
An emphatic first round knockout from the Nightmare, partner.
What a comeback win. Co-main event.
Certainly, it's a beautiful game plan for Tapales. He doesn't let Chang Kayo get off from that corner. Keeps him back the ropes. Beautiful right by Marlon Tapales right there.
And the good thing about that stoppage by Marlon Tapales, both of his hand did landed that sent Giancarlo to the canvas. Yung isa kaliwa, yung isa kanan, and then he ended it with the right again.
Certainly. There you have it. Just let's watch the replay. There you have it. Beautiful left from Marlon that sent Chang Kayo down the canvas. Another one, and it's enough by referee Gerald Tomeldan.